Need to replace the float sensor on your Agfa Anapurna printer, including the M, MV, and MW series? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to do it safely and correctly. Why do you need to replace the float sensor? The float sensor controls the ink refill under the ink tank. If the sensor fails, ink won't flow to the print head, preventing printing. Replacing a faulty float sensor keeps your printer running smoothly. The steps to replace the sensor are: first, turn off your printer completely, including all power switches. Wait at least 30 minutes to allow the power supply to discharge fully. This is essential for your safety. Next, remove front cover of the printer to access the sub-tank area. Then, purge the ink from the sub-tank before proceeding. Remove all the Allen screws. Refer to position number 2 in the diagram for their exact locations. Disconnect the float sensor cable from the PCB board. Next, replace the faulty sensor with the new one. Reassemble the unit by reversing the previous steps. Looking for more expert printer maintenance video tutorials? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update.